We think of money as a simple object, a piece of paper or a number on a screen. But what if it's more than that? What if it's the visible part of a much larger, hidden system? Let's peel back the surface and look inside. This is the basic map. On one side, the banks, on the other, us. When we need money, say for a loan, we ask a bank. And here's the secret. The bank doesn't just give us existing money, it creates new money out of thin air and deposits it into our account. This is called fractional reserve banking. For every dollar created for us, the system can generate many more, expanding the money supply. But this new money comes with a catch. It's created as debt, a shadow that follows the money, and this shadow of debt often grows much faster than the money we received. This isn't just happening to one person, it's a pattern across the entire system. We work to pay back the principal, the original amount we borrowed. But there's another component, interest. This is an extra amount that must also be paid back. The money to pay the interest, however, was never created. This is the core of the hidden system.